Hello, I'm Fernando from A-Smart Restaurant Supply. As a commercial food service operation, you demand a glass that'll hold up to everyday use. Libbey's Lexington line of glassware features essential pieces that'll enhance drinking experiences, made with durability that'll reduce your replacement costs to maximize your profits. Libbey's Lexington glassware features essential pieces that no commercial restaurant or bar can do without. They're all made out of crystal clear commercial grade glass, which will capture deep colors of your drinks while showcasing the brights, giving you better drink presentation and even more impulse sales. Each of these glasses feature a very thick base that adds stability and sturdiness against everyday commercial rigors. Additionally, it also gives you better handling when you're serving and when your customers are drinking. The long bodies showcase your drinks with minimal effort, while the beaded rims ensure a very smooth and effortless drinking experience without drops coming down off the side after setting it back. A-Smart carries these glasses in a variety of styles and capacities, such as these old-fashioned glasses, in a shot glass, and also a cooler glass. So no matter the use, A-Smart has you covered. If you like this video, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. If you want to shop Libbey Lexington glassware products or thousands of other pieces of restaurant equipment and supplies, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstore locations today or shop online at asmart.com.